future, for your life. For your future, for your life. For your future, for your life. You save for rainy day. We provide for the future.
Mama always told me everybody needs an umbrella for a rainy day. A little something you could put away. A bit of patience goes a really long way. And with these seeds I carry hopes of better days. Whose fruits are these anyway? Wait a minute, okay, I get it. Live for today, but prepare for the future. Make sure you cover your welfare is crucial.
Telidlelantfongeni. Usho ukuthi uhambe phambili nguSanele Maqubela.
We still request 3 members for ukuthi ibomake yethu sibabhadalele. Le campaign lena sicabanga ukuthi imqobo. And ke mina ngimela I can be proud to say ngiyambhadalela nomake wami. And ke executive yonke vele sathi nokusho ukuthi iyayibhadalela. Cala ekhaya. Ayicela kithi ke nathi simele lawe kunenele mfana sibamele sizothi sibacela nabo ukuthi bomake bongosi asibasite sibabhadale is very very important kakhulu
Anguvusele mbukeli kulohlelo lelikhulu Eswatini kanzi lokuvusela kunguye ke umuntu wangudumane ngumegmeno kamahlela sibongo losuka khona ehlangothini lechumana kanye ngento ekuthengisa khona kaDlelantfongeni. Namhla mbukeli silapha kulamanye amahotela aseSwatini eRoyal Villas kepha mhlambe singangeni kungaba kusho ukuthi sihalalisele yena umcondzisi walo Telidlelantfongeni umpane nkosi lonkokhela libahlanganisa ke umnyaka ke mbukeli siyethemba awuthi lokho litawahamba tifike kuye ke umpane nkosi siyajabula ukuthi soloke ulichubile Telidlelantfongeni futhi ulichuba ngekutimisela njengoba nje sibona ukuthi liyangithuthuka iminyaka neminyaka sisi happy birthday yo Royal Highness. Singena namhla ke mbukeli silapho khona sifundziswa khona ke Telidlelantfongeni ngekuthi vele uma ngabe siphatha emakhasimende ngoba Telidlelantfongeni nje mbukeli lisebenda ngawo ke emakhasimende lokumalunga kakhulukati alo ke Telidlelantfongeni baphathi ke balo Telidlelantfongeni babonake kumcwalo ukuthi asithi sifundziswe tisebenti ukuthi vele uma sikhuluma ngekubaluleka kwawo emalunga abaluleke kanganani futhi kufuna ukuthi aphatheke njani kude ukuthi onke emalunga eDlelantfongeni uma afikile emahhovisi abe nako kujabula nekutivela ukuthi cha uyathi impatho ngiyo lengiyo. Kepha ke sakwesive lapha khona basichazela lababuke kona letifundo leti sicale ngaye ke lapha lo phethela amahhovisi lesingasho ukuthi ma customer service centers noma ma service center eDlelantfongeni Eswatini jikelele cabangile make cabangile Dlamini uthi asitshela nje kabanti ngale training anamuhla siphinde sive naye lapha ke lo tabe asifundzisa lokungu Dr. Oliver Museka nanaye lesiva ukuthi cha impela uyatimisela ikakhulukati futhi ngathi upassionate kakhulu kulo tindzaba te customer service eSwatini asesive mbukeli ukuthi ingabe le training vele ihambe kanjani lapho.
I'm never letting go. I'm never letting go. I'm never letting go. I'm never letting go. I'm never letting go.
There's something wrong with our relationship management system. There's something wrong with what we are doing with the institution. What the kinds of 17 every day of 7 9. There is a problem. We should not be firefighting day in, day out. There is a problem. Not everyone should complain about us. Whether one person has complained about you, 2, 3, 4 in a row, there is a problem that needs to be sorted out. There is a problem. So this is customer rate management. We are coming at work to manage rate every day, but we want to change this to that. When we end up having customers that will just walk in, say, right man, don't say, all right, what do you say? Mama, what do you want now? Because the customer is satisfied by the way you treat them and the way you do business with them. And I don't say nothing more, nothing. Whenever I say, I'm you guys, next. Because we've created a relationship with our customer. How do we create a relationship? We need to understand, we've understood our customer. We understand their expectations. And when we give them a service, we are addressing their expectations. You get it? And therefore, they come as happy customer. A happy customer becomes a repeat customer. A repeat customer becomes a loyal customer. A loyal customer becomes an advocate for the institution. How many people have been to Vagasha Lodge? You've been there. How many people have been to Vagasha Lodge? You've been there. Would you want to go there?
Yeah.
Why?
We've experienced some of that.
Okay. Would you want to go there? Not necessarily. Why?
There was an incident sometime.
You bring a sexual advantage to play. You bring a sexual advantage to play. You have never been there. You get it? But already you don't want to go there because of an incident that you had. So a customer becomes an advocate. I'm about an organization. But the customer to do that. You get it? And all that is coming from that, managing our relations. So even if we're going to use technological systems, the systems that we're supposed to use, they're supposed to be very user-friendly. On your birthday, your bank at a second past midnight, they say they have a message. A second past midnight, they say they have a what? Message. But your spouse, I called them saying, what's in our three? I said, how necessary to say to happy birthday, sweetie. You get it? Right? Now, the bank sent you the happy birthday message midnight. You get it? How do you feel when you receive that message from the bank? It's like you're the only customer that they have. Everybody's got millions and millions of customers. You get it? And it's like you're the only customers that they. So at 12 o'clock, we had a plan to type a message to every birthday. That's how it fails. But it's a system that has been used. You get it? And it's being used what? For managing relations. They don't need to ask for your birthday because they already have your information within their system, and then they use that to make you happy, satisfied, pressure on the ego. So we need to manage relationship and change it to this. I will ask another group a question. I'll ask this group again. How many people have been to be surprised? Okay. Be surprised. Why is it that? Okay. How How many people have bought a pizza price? Listen, yes? What do they say to you when you're buying? When you're about to pay, what do they say? Trading in address. Email address, yeah. And then you walk out, you come back after 10 minutes or 20 minutes, you want to buy again. You again ask Stella in email. You come again, Sasa, you want to pay, they'll say, Stella email address. You get it? Right. Is there anything wrong with the concept? No. Anything wrong with the implementation? Yes. Because the system should keep a database. So imagine if these guys worked at the email, and then next time I'm going to entrance, good day, sir. So what's can I card? Yes. Can I have your name? Ushorika. You get it? Last time what I started with, we've got another 7 beautiful lady you choose. Can I show you? Imagine the difference. But if you're going to say to me always, pattern, you get it. Next time, I'll give you first time, I'll give you the second time. The third time, you know what I'll say? You get it? So, it's an issue of managing what? Relations. I will share. Right, so let's look at this too now. Customer satisfaction now. Customer satisfaction is a measure of how products are supplied by a company meet and surpass the customer's what? Expectations. We score out the expectations. To say we meet, not just meet the expectations, but we surpass the expectations. Because we go beyond the expectations. And then the person can say what? I am satisfied. It means what? Her expectations were shadows when you were there. You get it? So you surpass the expectations. But what is satisfaction now? This is where expectations meet experience. We'll bring another term, experience. Where the expectations are going to meet what? The experience. Right. The question that comes into mind is, what is experience? What is experience? And what are the elements of satisfaction? The elements of satisfaction is a perfect product delivered by caring people on time, first time. A perfect product delivered by caring people on time, first time. Okay. So, in order for you to satisfy a customer, your product is supposed to be what? Perfect. To satisfy a customer, your product is supposed to be perfect. But one could say, why? When I say why? But if the product is not perfect, I will come back. I won't come back. The product is supposed to be what? Perfect. And the product can be perfect, but if it's not being delivered by caring people, I need. I come to you with a perfect product, but they're not user-friendly. When I think of your product and think of coming to you, I shake my head. I don't come there. He is saying he can't go there because there was an incident. You get it? So if you might have a beautiful package, but if the people that are delivering the package are not caring, next, no satisfaction. So the package can be perfect, delivered by caring people, but not delivered on time.
Telidlelantfongeni. Ushothi luhambe phambili nguSanele Mampela.
We give it to the next person. Let's look at the product. Look at it. Take time to look at it. Yes. One more. And be volunteer. You are volunteering. That's fine. Let them. No matter. Yes. Right, please come through. You have seen the product. You have added to the product. You have eaten it. No, it's fine. You face this side. You face this side. I'm going to face the other side. So I'm going to give you a call. Asking you about the product. I'm going to call you. Yes. Hello.
That's everybody.
Hello. Ninja, we actually received a parcel from the office. It's a small thing, like to take that to go to the next place. I don't know what it is or what it is used for. Can you explain to me what it is and how it is?
That's fine.
So I'm going to do a roll call today on this product. Right? I'm going to give you a call and then you're going to respond to me. Morning. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? I'm good. I received the product from your office. It's some rectangle thing which has got some noise. I don't know what it is and how it is used.
The rectangle thing with some noise.
Yes. With yellow, black, brown. It was almost a rainbow, but it doesn't. There's some colors missing.
Okay. Let me try and find someone who can help you.
Okay.
Let me transfer this one.
The rectangle, small thing. It's maybe that's colors. Red, brown, blue. You name it. I don't know what it is. What it is used for. Can you take me through the product?
Oh, okay. I understand that the product is a box of matches.
This is a box of dishes.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can use it for lighting, depending on what you want to light. Some people they like smoking.
It's called lighting, but the shaving, the razor, the lines there. So how is it a box of matches and how is it used for lighting?
All right. I think
be honest, I'm not sure about the life. But how does this work? How do you use it?
All right, inside you find some different sticks.
Inside. I can hear the noise, but how do I get inside?
You just push.
I push.
Yes, there is that what price it takes, or it's bluish.
Okay, I put it in my palm, so I should push.
Yeah, you just put your finger in and push.
If I push, it's moving out of my hand. It's about to fall.
It's about to fall.
Yes.
Oh, it's okay. you have to hold it tight,
I'm holding it tight now.
and then you push with your feet.
If I push it now, I'm pushing.
Yes, just in the middle there is that greenish.
But how does it move? Because I'm holding it tight, like you say.
Yes, just insert your finger.
Yes, I'm using my finger. I'm holding it tight at the same time.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
I'm never letting go. 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 I'm never letting go.
Umhlangano wethu namuhla basically i-training sitocecesha tonke tisebenti tasedlelantfongeni nge-customer service. Loku sikukhanze kumcoka ngekuthi esikhatsini lesiningi siyaye sicabanga ukuthi tinkampani lengitawuthi letikhompithako kuphela letidzinga i-customer service. Kanti i-customer service nyalo seyashintsha yafika la khona wonke umuntu losebentako uyayidzinga ngoba lobudlelwane bema-customer abubuki i-customer lengaphandle kuphela but bubuka ne-customer lelangekhatsi. So lobudlelwane kithi sitisebentisi sodvwana nebudlelwane bethu nema-customer kuyadzinga ngesikhathi nangesikhathi ukuthi sivusetele letinfo letifuna utende usisebenzi kuze le-customer service loyi-provider-ko ibe nginayo leselicophelweni nelisetulu.
Ingabe Nkosi njengoba sikhuluma ngale customer service ngitiphi inguquko lesetendekile noma litakwendeka ezinisachubeni zasebenta nidlandvongeni?
Le kakhulu lesifise ukuthi kwendeke i-strategy sedlelantfongeni lesibukela umnyaka wa 2020 newa 2025 sikubeke kwaba yinfo lemcoka kakhulu ukuthi sakhe lengidakubita ngesingisi ngithi pheceledi i-service excellence culture la khazi kadlelantfongeni. So le training yethu yanamuhla isicalo sale luhambo lwethu lokufika la khona we are a very much customer centric organization. Lokunye etikwale indzaba ye-strategy sethu sidlelantfongeni kulomnyaka lophelile sende umkhankaso lakhona besakha i-service charter yethu siyinkampani. Nyalo ke sekufuna sicale kuyisebenta le-service charter kude wonke losebenta kadlelantfongeni nakasebenta ahambelane naloku lesikubhale lapha kule-service charter yethu. So lokukhulumisana kwethu kwanamuhla ingcikithi yako lenkulu iphindze itsintse lendzaba ye-service charter kokuthi nasesithi siyayisebenta ngaphambi kwekube siyikhokhele esiveni kufuna sesibe sesicophelweni lelitulu ukuthi vele sesiyakhona lokusebenta nge-service excellence before simemetele siveni ngokuthi nayo i-service charter yethu sidlelantfongeni seyikhona bantu sebanga-expecta leyo service lesecophelweni lesetulu ma basebenta nedlelantfongeni.
What I would want to emphasize is excellence is an art that is won by habituation and training. So in order for an organization to become compliant or to become customer-centric and exercise service excellence, they need to make it a habit to give best service. And then that can only be won also by training. So this is a step in the right direction that the fund has taken to try and educate, create an awareness within the organization for employees to understand the importance of the customer and how the customer expects to be treated. That's a very good step in the right direction. As advocates for customer service, we over the moon, and this is what we advocate for, that nationally organizations, they start seeing the importance and value of a customer.
Ngiyethemba mbukeli sotibonele ukuthi impela lapha bekumadima kufundwa tindvo tibaluleke kakhulu ngekuphatha lona likhasimende, ngekuphatha kona emalunga lesithemba futhi ukuthi njengoba sesifunze Telidlelantfongeni kutaba nemehluko losecaca njengoba besibona ukuthi vele emalunga amanengi ayajabula ngempatfo yalo Telidlelantfongeni, kepha ke sifuna lokuthi angajabuli nje kuphela kepha ke abe nekujabula kakhulu kubonakala ukuthi nalo Telidlelantfongeni Eswatini libalelwa kuletinye tinkampani letibonakala ukuthi uma kukhuluma nge-customer service lihamba phambili impela. Mbukeli siyajabula ukuthi ube nathi ehlelweni namuhla, asiphinze futhi sibonane evekini lelitako ngaso ke isikhathi esifanako. Uma ngabe ke unawo umbuto, ikhona inombolo ya WhatsApp lesiyibekele wena ulunga leTelidlelantfongeni uliswati lelifuna kwati ngetindzaba teTelidlelantfongeni njengoba uyibona lapho inombolo ya WhatsApp ethi 79638386 #kuyasalakho usale kahle.
Always told me everybody needs an umbrella for a rainy day. A little something you could put away. A bit of patience goes a really long way.